Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about that who can be able to become hacker. Because many people had a doubt that I am from science background, I am from commerce background, I am 60 years old, I failed in the 10th class, can I will be able to become hacker? So today I will tell you that anyone who is interested in hacking, no matter what is his education background, how old he is, from where he is, he can be able to become hacker. Education background doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is did you have interested to achieve this goal or not. As you may hear about Christopher Van Hassel, the world's youngest known hacker, when he was 5, he attempted hacking into the Xbox Live system because he wanted to play his father's video games. So if a 5-year-old kid can become hacker, then why not you? Your age, your education background doesn't matter in hacking field. If you are interested in hacking, just start learning it. There are thousands of free tutorials available on web to learn. You have to just spend your time and effort and you will surely become an expert hacker. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.